Right, guys, here we go. Have you ever struggled with pouring your own cereal into your bowl? It can make such a huge mess, right? If you go and it just pours all over the place. Oh, that's no good.
Oh my gosh.
But check this out. It's simple. It's so easy. No one ever even thought of it, right?
Right.
Check this out. If you close it just a little bit, like the top of a house. You can pour it out nice and easy. Boom. And boom. Ta-da!
Oh, and want to show them the milk?
Yeah, let's show them the milk too.
I think it's a heavy gallon.
Oh. Let's see. Look at that. It's like a tiny little bitty milk container.
Wait, isn't that meant for syrup?
Yes, but we can repurpose it and use it
For milk.
easy enough that a 4-year-old can do it. Oh, you gotta push the handle. Oh, even better. You don't have to push the handle. Look at that. Nice and easy.
Yeah, that's what I just figured
Watch
out.
this.
Oh, look. You don't even have to put the
Just my
handle.
hand right here. Look. Nice and easy. No problem. So easy, a 4-year-old could do it. What do you think, guys?
The easy? Would you rather do the easy part or maybe follow this video instead of making a huge mess?
Yes, hit that like and subscribe button, right?
Right, ring the bell too.
Woo woo.
Ding! It is so good.